just climbed these insane wet stairs made out of granite to get to this point. I don't know if this is so good for my camera. Josh and I are both soaked. Everyone else is waiting for us about 2/10 of a mile beneath us. Josh said he wasn't getting his camera out, but I can hear him snapping right now. We're gonna keep going. Go ahead, Josh.
Cell phone, no.
Oh, it's your cell phone.
Yeah,
Because, you know, fuck the cell phone.
Yeah.
So here are the stairs. You know, if we kept going, this is what we'd have to contend with. I think we're pretty much done, though, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to get any wetter. That's the main reason. Oh, and someone followed us up. Much to my surprise. And there's old Pete.
Soaked.
All right.